Zhongpan Laser Technology Co Ltd is a science and technology enterprise that integrates with industrial and triad development. We do lots of research and development in high-power laser cutting products, including laser cutting machine, laser cutting head, collimator lens, focus lens, fiber protective lens, laser nozzles, ceramic rings, sensor heads, and other products. Our company is located in Suzhou, close to the Shanghai Airport of China, which is convenient for international long-distance transportation. More importantly, what we could offer is factory direction price, which is quite competitive in the market. In addition, we have our own professional foreign trade department. Our own sales team always provide our customers with technical proposal and thoughtful and excellent after-sales service. What's more, due to our well-equipped facilities and outstanding quality control throughout all the stages of the production, we could gain a global satisfaction from our customers all over the world. All of our products are comply with the international standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets all over the world, including the US, UK, Australia, Korea, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Turkey, India, and other countries. We also have many options for our customers to choose in terms of the shipping channel and terms of payment. Finally, we warmly welcome customers from all parts of the world to contact us and seek cooperation for long-term business relationship and mutual success in the near future.